Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up a video in Capcut. If you want to create cool effects or just adjust the pace of your content, this is the right video for you. Capcut is a video editing application that you can use in a simple and professional way. It is going to help you to cut your videos, add effects, add music, have high quality videos, or as I will show you in this video, manage the speed. So first we're going to open our Capcut application and here we're going to click on create project. This new window will appear and here we're going to click on import. It's going to give you the option to choose the video from your computer, like in this case I'm going to use this random video. When the video is ready, you're going to see it on the left bar. You're going to select it and you're going to draw the video at the bottom where it says draw material here. Now, when we have it here, it is ready to be edited. Like for example, in this case, I want to speed up this beginning part. So I'm going to cut up this part from the video. And now on the upper right part, you're going to find the option speed. You're going to click on it. And now you're going to have different options about your speed. You're going to find 1x, that is the normal one. You can go to 2x, 3x. So the idea is that you choose the one that fits better for your video. And when you have it ready, you're going to click on play and then you're going to see the new speed of your video. And this is how you speed up a video in Capcut. I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!